channels.
Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night from whatever part of the world you guys are watching. This is Ricky, and yes, this is the unboxing for the Linksys Next Gen AC, the only way to Wi-Fi. This is ideal for 4K HD TV. It's a max stream as well, and this is the series. This is the model that will be AC1750 MU-MIMO, 2.4 gigahertz, and the second band is 5 gigahertz. Actually, the first band, which is the 2.4 gigahertz per second, is optimal all the way to from 0 to 450 megabytes per second, which is great. Now the second band is fastest speed from 1 all the way to 1300 megabytes per second. So if you guys have a connection, an internet connection that is, I don't know, let's put it this way, like 300 gigabytes gigahertz, or yeah, gigabytes it is. And there are actually 3 simultaneous data streams as well for faster performance, advanced security as well, WPA2, one port USB port of 3.0, which you can actually connect your external devices like storage devices or printers and use them across the network. It has a dual core CPU as well, a dual core processor for extremely fast data transfer speeds, so that is great. Beamforming technology as well, focus Wi-Fi signal to each device on your network, so that is great. Smart Wi-Fi, access and control your home network from anywhere, and as well seamless roaming, which move freely in and around home without dropping the Wi-Fi signal. So that is great, and actually you guys can actually download the application for this thing right here to operate certain tools as well. So here we go, guys, let's do this. Let's open it. It comes with a quick start guide, which shows you how to connect that router, and there is a wireless network as well, wireless network name, and the wireless network password as well. So this is actually the network and the password you guys are gonna have to put on your devices, right? It tells you to connect it to the computer, to the modem router, and then that's it. That will be it. It's an easy setup. That's the only thing you guys have to do. You guys can do modifications as well if you guys want. You guys can do that. Let me show you guys here. It's a huge router with 3 huge antennas, which is awesome. This is the router. All right, these are the antennas, 3 huge antennas, which another antenna, it's right here. All right, and you guys can take out this one as well. All right, and you guys can actually mount it on the wall too. So all right, this is the thing that it comes with, the USB port, Ethernet connection. This one goes to your modem. This one is actually, you guys can connect 1, 2, 3, 4 Ethernet cables, and you guys have to remove this one before using it, because that's where you guys are gonna connect the DC power. All right, this is that on and off button as well. All right, so we got this one. Then we got, of course, the DC power. All right, this is the one you guys are gonna use. Right, you guys are gonna connect it to the back of this thing right here, so you guys can power that thing right away. It comes with a Ethernet cable as well, just in case you guys need it from the modem to the router. Then if you guys need some other cables, you guys are gonna have to buy them. All right, so from the router to your I don't know, Xbox, PlayStation, TVs, and all the stuff, whatever you guys are gonna use it for, just get the cables. It is an amazing router. It's actually super fast. I will recommend it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave the comments if you guys have any questions, any problems with this unit. Maybe we can actually help you to resolve your concerns about this unit. All right, so thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.